Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. Quick headlines for you here on the Weather Department. They were having a drying trend take over for us the rest of tonight into tomorrow. Still some spotty chances for some showers. It's definitely going to be breezy again throughout the day on Wednesday as we have a new system come through with colder temperatures. Those temps, they are going to take a tumble into a zone that is much more winter-like, and it's coming in just in time for your Thanksgiving meal. Slim chance for some flurries along the way as well. If there's any leftover moisture in the atmosphere, we're going to talk about how that could come about here for you into tomorrow afternoon. High temps today made it into the low to mid 60s. Right now, they are falling into the 50s, and by tomorrow morning, we're going to go from, say, 4 a.m. into the mid 50s. By the afternoon, we're in the 40s, 30s, with wind chills in the 20s. It's going to get cold gradually throughout the day. The high temperature for tomorrow likely just after midnight in those mid to upper 50s, but it's not what it's going to feel like into the afternoon. We're going to have gusty winds upwards of 30+ miles an hour for us, with that slim chance for a few showers to linger. Now, currently, we still got just a little line of showers, the very light showers for the most part. They're a quick hitter from Huntington all the way down through just to the east of Somerset, now moving into Laurel County. We'll have that line work through. A couple other spotty little chances for early tomorrow morning as well. We've got one cold front lining up for us here in the eastern side of the state. We've got a low with two little, what we call them little fingers here extending off of it. They're really just frontal-like boundaries. They're both going to try to work through parts of Kentucky into tomorrow. You'll see here that spotty rain chances pick up early in the day, and in eastern Kentucky, some sunshine tries to cut in, but more clouds develop. And then here are your flurry chances. Again, mainly isolated to northern and maybe eastern Kentucky as that wave comes through. Nothing to get in the way of travel. Most of us probably don't see much out of that into Wednesday night. As we go into Turkey Day itself, starting mostly cloudy, partly to mostly cloudy at times. A few blue streaks to the north and east. Not expecting much here in terms of precipitation across Kentucky, except in the northern counties. They could maybe catch a late day flurry again. None of that should lead to any kind of travel issues for you as we go into the next couple of days. So tomorrow by the afternoon, temperatures will be in the low 40s. It's going to be blustery cold, and it's going to feel like the low 30s. We get into the 30s for a high on Thursday. Overnight lows in the 20s, both Thursday and Friday. Temperatures are the coldest on Friday, and then we see the tiniest little increase again as this cold air mass behind these two fronts settles in. That's what gives us the chilly Thanksgiving. Beyond that, though, doesn't look like we're going to catch any rebound because another air mass of colder temperatures will stick around into early next week. Both of those could lead to a system that might be able to bring rain and or snow. This is what it looks like into Saturday, something post-Thanksgiving. We've got this band of potential precipitation, could be maybe a little bit of snow, but for the most part, rain is likely to roll in for us on Sunday as we go through it with a wintry mix either on the front or the back. Listen, temperatures are going to be cold enough to support it, but it is a little early to really jump on anything yet. Just note that through the weekend, things could get a little messy, and we could see more of the same with another system into early to mid next week.